Okay, you can like hear it getting those hairs. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you are new. In today's video, I am going to be giving you guys my first impression, and I'm going to be trying out the Billie razor. Yes, I said trying out. I am actually going to be showing you guys my leg hair. Oh my gosh. So if you don't want to see that, just move on along. But otherwise, if you want to actually see a razor review with the razor in action, then keep watching. So today I'm going to be talking about this company and the really cool things that they're doing that made me want to support them, the process of ordering my Billie razor, which was super simple, what I got in my Billie package, and lastly, the most important part, me actually demoing this razor and giving you guys my first impression and my review after one little shave. So let's get into this video. I am really excited to dive into this and get my legs shaved. First and foremost, if you have never heard of Billie or seen any of the advertisements online, then I am very surprised, because I have seen these advertisements like everywhere. And of course they keep popping up more because I'm clicking on them and like, should I buy that? I've been contemplating for probably half a year. So like, you know by now, they are a razor company. Specifically, they cater more towards women. And of course now I can't find it on their website, but there was like a little quote that said a statistic on how women shave like a certain percentage more on their body area than men do. So they were kind of catering these more towards women. But if they are catered towards women and we shave more like body area, I'm guessing they're probably good enough for men to use as well. There's two really cool things that I love and that really made me want to support this company. The first thing is that one of their main goals is to fight the pink tax. And if you've never heard of that, it's basically how women usually have to pay more for products that are for women. So I remember these pens that came out that were pink and purple, and just because they were pink and purple, they were more expensive. That's just an example that I remember talking about in a class I had. That was ridiculous. But there's a whole amount of products, and razors are one of them that usually are more expensive for women razors. Right now I'm using the Gillette Venus Comfort Glide razors, and I like them better than the disposable ones I used before, but I think I could get a better razor. And the thing is, they are so freaking expensive. The replacement heads, they come with 4 of these, and it can range from like $15 to $20 for that. The Billie subscription, you get 4 of these for $9. Yes, $9. You get it for $9. The other thing I really love about Billie, and that made me really want to support them, was that they show women with body hair. They actually show women shaving hairy. Maybe you're a woman that has never really paid attention that much to commercials and advertisements of razors, but they never show women with actual body hair shaving. It's always silky smooth legs and they're shaving nothing. But Billie actually shows the hair on their models and actually shows them shaving their hair, and their whole thing is like, if you want to shave, here you go, we got a razor for you, but if you don't, whatever. Yes, I personally like to shave a decent amount, but being able to actually see the almost like acceptance of body hair in advertisements and stuff like that for women is such a cool thing to see, because there's such a stigma around women's body hair just being like gross and be like, oh, you should just be a hairless rat. But that's seriously not reality. We all have hair. Oh my gosh, if you didn't know that, you learned something today. But seriously, I think it's such a cool thing and it feels so good. And if you are a fellow woman out there, you probably feel me too. You probably know what I mean. So I'm just gonna pop some of their advertisements up here. Hopefully I can find some that showcase what I am talking about. So that is the company, and what really drew me in to try this razor out. Now let's get into the ordering process, one of my favorite parts because I just like buying stuff online. Honestly, it's getting the package that gives me so much joy. I just love opening packages and I'm like, oh my gosh, here it is. So the starter kit is $9 and it includes a Billie handle, the magnetic holder, and 2 5-blade razor cartridges. They'll deliver 4 replacement cartridges for $9 when you need them, and it says free shipping always. So you click the little let's get started button and then it brings you to the color choices. This was very hard for me because I liked a lot of the different colors they had. I'm usually not a pink girl, but I actually ended up going for the Billie blush color. So of all the colors they have coral, Dream Pop, Periwinkle, Billie Blush, Cool Blue, and lastly, highlighter. Now this is what they had when I ordered them specifically. I don't know about now. It seems like they kind of change them around every so often. But again, like I said, I went for the Billie blush. The next thing you let them know is how often you think you shave. So there is every day, which they will deliver cartridges once a month. You can say a few times a week, they'll deliver every 2 months, or once a week and they will deliver every 3 months. I ended up choosing a few times a week because my hair grows pretty fast. Then it sends you to a little extra, so they have other things that you can also get with your subscriptions. And I really wanted to try out the shaving cream because I think I'm kind of getting low on mine, so why not try out the Billie shaving cream? I don't know. But they have the shave cream, which is $8. They have a dry-by body lotion for $12, a sudsy body wash for $9, and then when I went through my process, they had a circle pouch for $10, which is just kind of like a travel case. It was super cute, but I was like, I don't really need it right now, so I'm not gonna fall into that trap yet. And then it just takes you to the last page where it tells you how much it's gonna be and how the future shipments are. So it tells you whichever one you got, it will ship every so and so months, and that's pretty much it. Next thing is the Billie package. This came so fast. I think maybe 3 days and it was here. That is amazing. I could not believe how fast it came. But it has a really cute box. It's white, super simple, says Billie, and then has mybillie.com on the side. And now let's open. I have opened this because I was so excited, but no, I haven't used anything yet, okay? I promise it's a first impression using it. Okay. Woo! Everything's gonna fall. So inside it says, time to give your lady bod some love. It says, come hang with us at Billie's. You can find them on the social media. And got questions, let's talk, hello@mybillie.com. In case you have any issues or anything like that, they give you a little customer service thing, which is cool. It has a little, what is that? Like a Ziploc kind of bag? Aren't Ziplocs the one that slide? I don't know. It has a little closing thing. And cute little graphics on the bag. Love those. The most important thing, of course, is the razor. Ooh. Here is my razor that I got. Like I said, it is in blush. This feels very, very nice. It's very lightweight, but it's an easy like grip. But it says Billie right here, and then you push this button and the razor head comes off. It has a razor head here and another one, and then I get my shipment on December 9th. So on December 9th, I will get 4 new ones of these razor heads. If it ends up being too much too soon, I can always change my subscription or skip a month. That's the really cool thing. You can kind of adjust it and it's not like you're trapped in the subscription. Then something really cool is the way that it magnetizes to the shower wall. So it comes with a holder for your handle. It's magical, it says. And inside this little package, this is the little triangle, and ta-da! Right here, you put this, it comes with a little putty and extra of the putty, which is really smart because if you're moving it around, the putty might get kind of gross. So it has some backup putty. I think it has 2 pieces in there. It also came with a little pamphlet, and inside it says what came in your package. So the Billie handle, the 5-blade razor cartridge, encased in charcoal aloe shave soap, which I've heard that they recently changed it to the charcoal and some people don't like it, some people really like it. So I'll see what I think of it. And then the holder that magically connects to your handle. Last thing that I got in this box was of course the shave cream, and when people were showing this in the video, I could never tell how big it was, so I want to like show you guys somehow. Do you guys all know how big a Bath and Body Works candle is? Ta-da! This is the shave cream compared to the Bath and Body Works candle. But it is really cute, simplistic. It says it has aloe vera and sage in it. And I'm supposed to just apply to wet skin and gently work into a lather, rinse after shaving. So the last thing that I need to do is actually try this razor out. So let's go into the bathroom and shave my leg. Hello guys, welcome to the bathroom. We have a cute little shower curtain, tropical. Let's take this off. Oh, that's really easy to just take off. Here's what the razor looks like up close. So around here's all the like charcoaly stuff. And then it has 5 blades, which, oh my gosh. I just realized I've been using only a 3-blade razor. This is going to probably make a good difference. All right, I think I found a way to do this. I guess I should have kind of let my hair grow out a little more before doing this video, but you can see the little pricklies. Especially once I shave, you should be able to like tell a difference in the area. So I'm going to kind of get my leg wet. The shaving cream doesn't really smell like anything, which honestly is a good thing because we don't want any fragrances. So it's just kind of lather it up here. Oh, okay, so it gets a little like, not necessarily really foamy as you can tell, but it does lather up a little bit. Get the razor wet and let's go for it. Oh. Okay, you can like hear it getting those hairs. See that? No little stubble now. Okay. It's very, very soft, and I like how it moves around a bit. I know you probably can't really tell, but I am seeing like the little dark spots I still have, so I don't know how close of a shave like compared to my other one it's doing, but I mean it's shaving my legs and it feels nice. All right, so I zoomed this in. This side is all the little pricklies I have, and then here is where I shaved, so the line's about right there. I do have a few dark spots. Like I said, I think you can kind of see them a little better, like these little spaces, but in general, you can tell that this is not shaven and this is nice and smooth. I really should have checked on camera what my like hair was gonna look like because it felt like it had grown out enough, but obviously it was a little harder to see for you guys than I thought it was going to be. So sorry about that. But I hope you kind of got the gist of it, and at least you kind of saw it shave my little pricklies. But I'm going to continue to shave the rest of my legs, and then I will let you know what I think. Alrighty guys, I am back and I have shaved all of my legs, and now to hear the real truth. I'm not necessarily amazed at how awesome the shave is, but the way it felt was a game changer for me. I don't know if it's because I've just been using like a 3-blade razor and I haven't used a 5-blade razor, but oh my gosh, just the feeling of it like gliding across my leg was so nice. And the shaving cream made my legs really soft. Even though that I thought the bottle was maybe not that big, a little goes such a long way with this stuff, especially because it doesn't really foam up. It's just like a layer on your legs. It doesn't take as much, so that is really, really nice. I don't know if I'm gonna purchase it again. I'll probably see what else is out there because I haven't really dove deep into shaving creams. I did like when I used conditioner for a while, so we'll see. We'll see. So in conclusion, I don't necessarily know how much better the actual shave was from my other razor, but it felt a lot better, a lot smoother, and it's so much cheaper that I'm into it. Like, I'm gonna keep trying this and see how this goes. I think it's just going to be kind of a test thing, and I'm gonna just have to use it multiple times to see what I really think of it compared to my other one. I still just really love the whole company and what they are standing for, so I am definitely happy to support them and pay less for my razors. So that concludes this video for today. If you are wanting to support a company that's doing some really cool things and you want a new razor that works well, I would definitely recommend trying this out. You may end up really, really liking it. And if you don't, you can just quit your subscription, and that's that. But I am excited to keep on using this. I think it's going to be one of my favorite razors that I've used. Let me know if you've tried out this razor, or if you want to, or just any thoughts and opinions on this company. I would love to hear it. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Follow me on my social media accounts. They are at the beginning of this video in the description box below, where everything is at. It's Kendra Sue. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, whatever it is where you are right now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.